Start recording. Stop recording. Button.
Severe thunderstorm warning for central Ozark County, south central Douglas County, southeastern Tany County until 10:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 9:27 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles northeast of Diamond City, or 18 miles northwest of Bull Shoals, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bull Shoals Lake, Janesville, Theodosia, Wauffula, Sundown, Brixie, Noble, Wilhoit, Gentryville, Brigham, Thornfield, Ruder, Sycamore, Rockbridge, Long Run, Isabella, Zanoni. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Central Standard Time for southwestern Missouri. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:15 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Missouri: Douglas, Ozark, and Tany. The severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Tany County is canceled. The severe thunderstorm which prompted the warning has moved out of the warned area. Therefore, the warning has been canceled. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 10:15 p.m. Central Standard Time for central Ozark and south central Douglas counties. At 9:39 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles northwest of Price Place, or 18 miles north of Bull Shoals, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bull Shoals Lake, Janesville, Theodosia, Wauffula, Sundown, Brixie, Noble, Wilhoit, Gentryville, Thornfield, Sycamore, Rockbridge, Long Run, Isabella, Zanoni. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning